Portfolio is something which will be representing you, that is your country. Okay, you will be given a country out of 169 United Nations members. There are 169 countries in United Nations. Out of that, you will be given one country. Okay, secondly, is the topic. Topic is called the agenda. Okay, that will be your prime focus of debating. An agriculture organization. Now, what do you mean by food and agriculture organization? That is the committee where you will be sitting in. Okay, that is the committee where you will be sitting in. Okay, any doubts in portfolio, agenda, and committee?
No doubt.
No, ma'am.
No doubts. Okay.
But I have doubt. Can you explain about agenda again, ma'am?
Sure, definitely. Now, agenda is the topic. Okay, here, for example, if we take United Nations World Tourism Organization, that is restoring the tourism sector. This is your topic. Okay, topic is called the agenda. In MUN, topic is not called topic, it's called agenda. Okay?
Okay, ma'am, I understood. Topic is called agenda.
Yes, yeah. Okay, thank you so much. Here in school, you have two types of attendance. Either you are present or either you are not in the school. You are absent. Secondly, in MUN, we have either you are present or you are present and voting. Now, what do you mean by present and voting? See, present means that you are just present in the MUN. Okay, and you will not be voting on any things that have to be voted upon. Okay, present and voting means that you will be voting upon the changes, upon the amendments. Amendment means basically changes only, upon the substantive matter that has to be changed at the last in the documentation. Okay, there is something called documentation which we make. In that documentation, you just write the solutions. For example, you're debating upon the reproductive rights of females in India. So whatever solutions that you have discussed out here will be formulated in a document at last. Okay, and that document, if you want to pass that document to make a committee successful, you have to vote. And for that vote, you have to select present and voting. Okay, if you will be selecting just present, you cannot vote and you cannot pass that committee. Okay, that is the thing. See, everything in MUN is interrelated. Every procedure is interrelated. You cannot change it. Types of documentation, like there are 1,000 types of documentation, but primarily we accept 5 types only. There, because see, MUN, there is Howard MUN, there is Thai MUN, there is UNA USA procedures. Like there are not just one procedure that is followed, but in India we follow one procedure, that is UNA USA procedure. Okay, and USA, they sometimes followed Harvard procedure, they sometimes follow Thai MUN procedure. There are different types of procedures, but in MUN, in total number, if you count out the total ways of documentation, there are like 1,000 documentations ways that you can document yourself, that you can state your solutions. But in India, if we follow UNA USA procedure, we just have 5 main documentations. And I will be stating the 3 mains, like the 3 accepted by FairGaze and HPS together. So I will be explaining those 3 only, because those 2 that the leftover is a bit difficult for the students to grasp at one go. So that will be told to you in further sessions. Here in the contest section, you can go to the MUN, click on the MUN, you will be directly to this page. Click here on the registration now. Click here register now. Though the link has already been shared, you can directly go to that if you do not. Now comes on to committee. Now here, this I told you, like I am doing this committee. So if you want to come in this, human rights is basically for how you can protect human rights. Security Council will be focusing on terrorism, this thing, terrorism or prevention, that will be focusing. General Assembly is basic General Assembly. Okay, like in General Assembly, we have the basic world issues that we'll be debating upon. International press is a bit different. International press is different in a way where you will be writing reports or caricatures. You will be making caricatures. Okay, either making reports means you will be here as a reporter, just like a journalist do. Okay, journalist sits there, writes a report and submit. You will not be speaking anything. But if you want to speak up, if you want to be a part of one of the best speakers in the world, go for the 4 countries. And if you are good in drawing, you can select international press as well. Okay, now preferred agenda. Now agenda, if you can select, see, international press doesn't have any agenda because you just have to write a report. If I select this, then the agenda will automatically be coming here. Just select out. Role means if you are taking international press, reporter is the way you will be writing a report. Caricature if you want to draw something. And if you're selecting a country, like country means if you're selecting out of these 4 countries, 1, 2, 3 and 4, if you're selecting these 4 countries, take it as delegate, that you will be debating or you will be speaking. Again, portfolio, I told you, the country you can take out of 169 countries are there, you can take any. I take San Marino, that is my favorite country. Now MUN experience, you can fill up whatever experience you have. If you have done any MUN before, you can fill up that. You can fill out the coupon code if there is any. If there will be, you can select out the school name, and you can select your class, gender, everything. Put it out a very good picture because that picture will help you out in this. If you go on to this, right, students, in here you can click position papers, and here your pictures will be there. I will just show you. See, there are pictures of students. Okay, the position paper that I told you to make will be posted out here. Okay, so put a good picture and then click on submit. After submitting, you will be getting the pay option to pay. Okay, pay side, and within 72 hours, I guess, you will be getting the country and the committee. Just at least wait for 72 hours. Don't hype up